Hey, what's up? What's up, you amazing people? It's me, Braden, and today we're going to be doing the first major thing on this channel. It's going to be the cinnamon challenge, which I might have told you guys at school. I got my cinnamon, my spoon, and my cup of water, and my dad in case anything goes wrong. So, before this starts, I want to acknowledge a few people for my friends for subscribing and willing to subscribe. Includes Aaron Beebe, Hannah Hadelin, Trevor Lingle, Halen Jackson, Riley Rubel, Maddie Moore, all those people. So thank you. This channel is going really well so far, considering that my office is my nightstand. So, yeah, just want to thank you guys for that. It's only been 3 days on this channel, and I already have 12 subscribers, so thank you guys. Anyway, let's get on to the challenge. I'm actually kind of scared to do this. I have my trash can right next to me, too. Oh. Oh. That's disgusting. I can't even feel my mouth. On my teeth.
It's like you had a bunch of poo clouds coming out of your mouth.
Ow. It's literally stuck in my mouth.
Like,
Yeah. Nah. Ow. Do not try this at home. And also, water with cinnamon tastes terrible. Absolutely terrible.
so how was it?
Disgusting.
Well, like, did it like instantly just like dry up your mouth?
Yep. It dried up my mouth.
Gross.
Yep.
You got like a bunch of little cinnamon balls all over the floor,
Yep.
and you were coughing up cinnamon poo clouds.
Yep.
Lovely.
I mean, it wasn't as bad as I expected. I read the dangers of it, and it sounded pretty scary, but it wasn't that bad as I thought of it.
Wow. Next time, try a bigger spoon.
Okay.
Join us tomorrow when we eat cacti.
We are not eating cactus. We might, though. Yeah.
I'm not.
I might. Anyways, that's the cinnamon challenge. I hope you guys like this video. If you did like this video, please do leave a big thumbs up. That would be amazing. Also, if you like this channel and want to keep getting more info, then please subscribe. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see you guys in the next video.